The engine tool for Iveco applies to FPT engines. This tool is used for the regulation of the tooth wheel on the timing gear in the distribution phasing. In Jaltes, there are procedures where reference to this type of tool is made. Here is an example with Jaltes in an Iveco Stralis Euro 6 truck for the procedure of the distribution phasing. We select the vehicle type, truck, the truck brand, Iveco, and the family Stralis Euro 6. Regardless of the model within the Stralis Euro 6 family, we access the vehicle technical data module to select the corresponding engine type and to consult the information on the distribution phasing. In the procedure, we can see how the different special tools that must be used within the Jaltes tools family appear in the header. These special tools also appear in each of the steps where they will be needed.